Welcome to Nashville, Tennessee. Just dropping a little rock substrate to add around 30,000 square feet to an existing structure. You know, because we need that. I mean, how many people live in the house? Probably 2. How many guests do they have a year? No one wants to be there. Probably a family of 1.5. This is about as authentic as oodles of noodles. This seems like a lot of garlic, but when you roast it, its sharpness gets dialed back and it becomes sweeter and rich, but it still keeps away vampires. You don't really have to add any oil since the beef was marinating in basically herb oil. I did just so I could clean up splattered grease over a 12-foot radius. A long time ago, I used to work in a restaurant that used to make this sauce that's good over about any noodle. Fry it up! Is it authentic? No. It's kind of like the NASCAR pit stop of Sicilian sauces. This is not as heavy and hearty as it seems. Their sirloin is very lean, and the thinness of the cut makes it cook in a jiffy.